Hey guys, this is Midlife Crisis Gaming 87 giving you an update for the Sony X900h. Right off the bat, I'm gonna tell you this. Do not go and buy the bloody Sony X900h. Not saying that it's a horrible TV, but because of what Sony did to its consumers. Why? Because the VRR update and the ALLM update that was supposed to be promised last year has not come, and the best part is it's not even on their spec sheets anymore. What the hell, man? All of us who bought the Sony X900h was specifically for one of those two features that's mentioned inside your spec sheet. So what is VRR? What is ALLM? So let's say let's get VRR out of the way. VRR stands for variable refresh rate. So why is it important for the Sony X900h? Okay, it is basically a simple thing to prevent screen tearing. So when we play higher frame rates, especially for gaming, alright, it prevents all that, the tearing, the stuttering and all that. Whereas for low latency, auto low latency mode, okay, it is when you're playing and then there's like input lag. So when you're playing games on your TV, and if you're gonna start playing game and then the TV detects that you're playing gaming, it will go to gaming mode and then the auto low latency mode thing will kick in. Got cancelled, the update got cancelled. What the hell, Sony? What the hell? I'm disappointed because as a consumer, I paid this TV for these features, the 4K 120, alright, which didn't come straight away. A lot of the consumers had to wait for this update too, alright. It didn't come to all the regions at the same time. I live in Asia, and considering Sony comes from Asia, I received the update slower from people who are in USA or in other parts of the world. Why? What is this? But never mind, I still had the faith in this TV because actually it's pretty decent, it's pretty good. But the colors are nice. But when it's announced, man, it's taken off the features available via software update on their website. I mean, come on. Come on. Guys, it's 2021. It's January 11th of 2021 as of this video right now. And I'll say this, don't buy the Sony X900h. Save up your money, go and get the LG CX or other brands. There are a lot of these better brands out there. The Vizio, the Hisense, even the Samsung Q90T, is it? I don't know. I didn't remember looking at Samsung because I wanted a whole Sony thing. Because, very simple, why most of us buy the Sony X900h? Because most likely, we're going to buy it for either our PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series S or Series X, to game. And I chose it because it was LED. I don't want to worry about burn-ins and all this over the years of usage. And I have the terrible habit of leaving my TV on sometimes for hours. So I was praising the Sony X900h for all its good points and all that. But this not Sony. I can't accept. Guys, don't be conned into buying this. I'll say I'm just disappointed. Because these are two very important features for gamers. If you play competitive esports, if you play competitive FPS, what am I talking? Your FIFA, your NBA, your Call of Duties, your Battlefields. You play online, you play Apex Legend, Fortnite, PUBG, all this. They don't have the ALLM, they don't have the VRR. How, bro? How? Guys, come on. I'm just disappointed. And here, I bought the Sony X900h based on my videos you all can see. I'm ordered the PS5, which until now has no stock in my country. And I'm recording this same video with my Sony ZV-1. Wow, I sound like a fanboy. I sound like a fanboy. Because actually I trust Sony, and actually I think that some of their products are really, really good. And a lot of people actually think that their products are good. And to be honest, there is truth in that. But what they did now with this, no, don't waste your time with the Sony X900H, guys. I rather you save up your money, go and get the LG. That's the most complete package right now. It's OLED, the colors are better, the blacks are better, sorry. And more importantly, you don't get this kind of bullshit where something is promised to you in the brochure and they didn't deliver. One, it was delivered late due to the 4K 120Hz update, which also wasn't perfect because people were complaining online about, the screen blur when you zoom based on the 4K display, it blows up the image. So when you look carefully, there's a lot of those, pixelated displays. It was shit. It was really shit. But that's okay. The update still came. Alright? And when you buy it out of the box at that time, you don't get 4K 120 straight away. You have to wait for the update. Come on, Sony. What the hell? What the hell? I mean, I don't understand. VRR, ALLM. Anyway, Sony is yet to officially confirm the cancellation of VRR and ALLM support on their website. This was just posted on the internet about 1 day ago, based on this date that I posted this video. So there is still a little hope that this is just some nonsense. So hopefully the backlash that they get on the internet, on the forums, saying that this is all false, it's been delayed. Hopefully it happens like that. But this video that I'm making right now for you guys is more importantly is for those people who hasn't bought the X900H, or you're considering the X900H. Don't buy it. Don't buy it because you're being cheated. I'd rather you save up a bit more and go for the LG, because at least out of the box, straight off, everything is there. To say that the LG CX is a perfect TV, no, there's also issues with it. But this is bullshit. It's like a Ponzi advertisement. Con man. You promise something, but it's not in the box. What the hell? Anyway, guys, that's just me ranting and just telling you again, do not buy the Sony X900H. Sony, I'm disappointed. I really am. I feel like I got cheated. Here, I just got my ZV-1 just a few days ago. I'm blown away by it, how simple and how good it is for someone like me, But man, this TV update, this one is disappointing for me. Do something about it. Don't disappoint me. Go and get this off the internet. Get it done. Find a way to get the VRR and ALLM. Sony, go and get this done. Please. You're gonna disappoint so many fans, so many consumers. And in the future, if you have a product launch, actually deliver the feature on launch, not via an update a few months down the road. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Please leave a like or subscribe, or leave a comment down below about what you think about the Sony X900H, whether you dislike it or you like it or whatever. Leave a comment down below. This is Midlife Crisis Gaming 87 signing off.